Hello together, welcome back to Rafael Cooking Style. Today I'm showing you this is a squid, 3 parts of the squid. Yeah, I'm gonna show you how I prepare squid when I'm gonna prepare them for a paella, for a pasta, or even you can stuff them. Yeah, this is very easy. You see, this is the squid. It has like say 3 parts, like the mantle, the head, and the tentacles. Yeah, just like that. Just try to pull it just carefully, and the first thing you're gonna do is to remove the spine. Just like you see with my finger, you pull the just a little bit, and then you pull it, and you get the spine, yeah, that out of the mantle. Yeah, this is called the mantle of the squid, and you remove. This is a little bit of fat inside. You remove it, like it's get cleaned, yeah, and with you can help yourself with a serviette or a napkin. To try to remove to peel it, yeah, just like you see, then you got it white. You don't have to, but you can do it if you want to, yeah. It just matter of color, yeah. It's the mantle will remain white. With the head, you see, we got 2 parts. Like we have this is here the siphon. You separate it a little bit from the where, yeah, just like that. You get the siphon. And you cut this part, and which is you're gonna throw it away. Yeah, you help yourself with mine, and you got like the head with the eyes, with the siphon together, and the tentacles. Yeah, and what I'm gonna do, I just turn it the other way, and it has a kind of a teeth. I don't know how it's exactly named, but this is what they eat, and you remove it like this with your hand, and there you go. You got it just almost clean. And right now I'm gonna show you another one. Look, this one, pull it carefully to not leave everything in the inside, which may make it a little bit harder. This is the spine I'll show you. Yeah, help yourself with your fingers, pull it out. Yeah, that's it, quite easy. And now with your finger, try to help yourself to. This is the fat it has inside. You're gonna throw it away and just leave it. Just like that, you can stuff it when they are just like that. If you see, now with the napkin, I'm gonna just peel it that it stays completely white. Yeah, there you are, quite easy. Yeah, as I say, if they are like that, you can stuff them very easily. You can also cut them in rings. And right now, this is I'm showing you here again the siphon. Just with your try to separate it with your fingers, just like that. Help yourself easily, not to break it, because it has this dark stuff. Is like which how you call it? It's a camouflage they use, and it makes the water black. And with it also they make this black pasta. Yeah. And now I am removing this teeth or the tooth where they eat with. Yeah, just pull it like that, and it comes out. Yeah, that's it, and we got it. Now we gotta separate. Look, this is our fully squid. Yeah, this is like 2 parts now. Yeah, and what I'm gonna do it right now, I'm just gonna separate the siphon and the head and the eye. Yeah, look, this is a clean head of a squid, and I'm gonna cut the siphon, and I'm gonna cut the tentacles. Yeah, this is the tentacles. For them, you can fry them, or you can use them also in the pasta, or cut it smaller for your rice or your pasta. I'm gonna cut the siphon. Yeah, you see, if you cut the head, look, you're gonna throw it away the siphon, which is at the end, something that weighs, something food, something that has flavor on it. And we got the mantle, as you see it here. And with the mantle for this dish I'm preparing, I'm just cutting them in rings. Also, you can do this ring for fried calamares, or yeah, it's a little bit up to you what you're cooking, but this is the way you can proceed with a shrimp, with a squid, sorry. And look, yeah, just making it again. Look at the amount of if you cut it completely, the head, look the amount of the weight of meat you are throwing away. Yeah, Look on the bottom right side corner, you get all the siphons, and this is around, I'm working here with around 600 grams. And look what I have here on the right. If you are working with more, imagine you are throwing more weight of what you pay for throwing it away. These siphons, what I mean. And those are the tentacles, where you can also add to the pasta, or as I said, fry them under some of my rings. I'm just finishing here. I hope you like it. I leave you a full video how you prepare pasta or spaghetti nero, and enjoy it. I hope you like it. This is the mantle, the tentacles, and the siphon. Thank you very much and enjoy it.